Hi, my name is Sundberg and I'm a solutions expert here at Enfuce. We offer a way of dealing with the complexity of legacy systems and spaghetti IT. We can handle all the complexity and compliance related to card issuing and processing, allowing our legacy banking providers to focus on their core business, banking. Our solution is fully modular and priced based upon usage, meaning that legacy banking providers can start their innovation journey without having to do massive upfront investments. Instead, they can focus on small, constant incremental improvements. Because, after all, how do you eat an elephant if not one bite at a time? Beware the disruptors. While neobanks today may not be a direct competitor, they are stealing your young banking customers by offering smart solutions in mobile applications that are always available, always online. And when these neobanks start offering loans and mortgage products ready for when these young adults want to buy their own home, that's when you're going to really start seeing impact on your loan book. It might not be for another 5 or 10 years, but can you really afford to not take action today to not miss the boat tomorrow? I would say innovation. In order to meet the demand, one can't keep doing what one has always done. In order to innovate, legacy banking providers really do need to transform the card issuing program. And that's what Enfuce was founded to do.